Hello guys, this is Muhammad from Androzilla. Today I'll walk you through how to fix Google Play Close when you open it, or Play Store when open and close immediately. This tip is very easy. You go to setting. From setting you go to apps. From apps you go to manage apps. And wait for a second. And you go to Google Play Store, click on it. You need to force stop. After you force stop, and you go to uninstall update, and that clears the data. And the second step is hold your power off, and you need to reboot your phone or restart your phone. It's not working with you. You go to setting again, and you go to shares field and type reset factory, and you need to erase all data. You need to make sure you have a copy backup from your data, and that may help you fix your problem. And this video for today I hope helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.